Is this the horror section? I don't know. I feel so stupid.
Look out for
Oh shoot.
targeting sensor.
Okay. I'll tell you in a bit. Anyway, I was playing Smash Bros with some friends, and then on stream I completely understand getting so into it that I make like the little sound effects of getting hurt, right? Like a but then even while playing with them, I end up making some of the sound effects, and I'm like, oh my gosh, they probably think I'm stupid. It makes sense to do it on stream though, because like you're kind of hyped up in the adrenaline. But around friends, I didn't expect it. So it's like, oh gosh, never feel bad for having fun. You're so right. Oh, what is that sound?